In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide effect name on Instagram story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram application and then hit at plus sign to start creating a story. Then tap at camera and right there select some effect that you want to use. Now you can record your video with that effect, and now all you have to do is hit at this three dots icon and there select save. Now that video has been saved to my photo gallery. I can now go back and start creating a story again. I can hit add plus sign and now I have to select the video that I have just recorded. And now I can continue editing this video in the way I want. I can add there some text, some stickers, I can draw there something, add a sound and bunch of other different features. And once I have finished with that, I can hit add arrow icon and share this story to my followers. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.